Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change bubbles to chat heads. So let's get started. So if you want to change bubbles to chat heads on your Messenger application, then what you can do is just simply open up your settings, and after opening up your settings, now what you can do is in search bar you can search for display over other apps. After searching for that, you will find this option. Just tap on it, and after tapping on it, again tap on display over other apps. And after tapping on that option, now what you have to do is you have to select your Messenger application and then allow it. So just select your Messenger and then tap on allow and then toggle this option on. So after toggling that option on, you will allow this feature, and now what you can do is just simply close your settings and then open up your Messenger. After opening up your Messenger, just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on that, just tap on the gear icon which is on the top, then scroll down, and after scrolling down here you should find the option which is chat heads. So now if this feature is turned off, what you can do is just turn it on, and after turning this on, now you will receive chat heads if someone message you on Messenger. So that's it guys, this is how to change bubbles to chat heads. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.